Alright, in this video I want to focus on putting you in the shoes of a busy, stressed attorney and help you understand what you can expect from your lawyers. So every lawyer has a lot of demands and a lot of unhappy people that are asking for things. They've got paralegals, they got legal assistants, they have clients, they have JAs. It's a stressful job where there's a lot of different directions that demand your attention. And you have to understand that your attorney is going to handle your case in the way that makes the most sense for him or her in most cases. There are good, diligent attorneys out there, and I would always want to make it clear that there's an exception to the rule. But if you need an attorney for any type of service, you should anticipate that their recommendations to you are going to be biased in terms of how they want your case to progress. When I was litigating injury claims, I defended insurance companies and large employers, and my rule for handling a case was that the opposing attorney, their strategy would be whatever would allow them to make the most amount of money with the least amount of effort. And that helped me immensely because I could predict what the other side was going to do in most cases and then be a step or two ahead. So every area of the law is like that. In family law, you have the added problem of the attorneys knowing your complete financial situation in most cases within the first couple of months. And then you have divorce attorneys in a given area. They're working with one another all the time. They're constantly across the courtroom. They're in bar organizations together. They hang out on the weekends together. So you can't expect that most attorneys are even going to put your interest as the client above what the opposing attorney's interests are. And that's where problems in my case started, I believe. I still am waiting on some discovery from my first law firm and Mr. Davis, who is my soon-to-be ex-wife's attorney. So some of this that I'm going to report about is speculative, and I'll try to make that very clear. What's not speculative is the level of misconduct and intentional weaponization of kids. And that's where I have a major problem, and I'll be working very hard for a long time to expose that and hopefully help other people with similar problems. So tune in for the next video.